journey through life. I can't give up, it gets hard sometimes, but I know God's word is true.
What's up, ATC gang? Happy Sunday and welcome back to another video. I hope you all have had an amazing day, and if not, I hope you all are on your way to a better one. So I did a poll asking if you wanted the next video to be cleaning the messiest parts of my house or a DIY powder dip video, and as you can see, the messy house won. So let's get into it. Oftentimes, people feel like YouTubers have perfect homes. They're always clean and tidy and everything is in its place. But I'm here to tell you that is not true. We clean up and we, put on a presentation. But there's times when our homes aren't perfect. We are human just like everyone else. And I hope this video just shows you that that's the case. So for me, I have a messy bedroom because it's very small. And my baby's over there in the corner playing with me. But because our house is small, we don't have a lot of room. So we'll tuck things in different places, wherever we can find it. So as you'll see as we go through the video, I have a lot of things under my TV stand, behind my vanity, just wherever I can get it. So I'm glad that this video won because it was time to just get into it. So the first thing I decided to do was go ahead and steam clean my headboard. It was way past overdue, and I immediately realized this is a lot of muscle work. So after about 20 minutes of scrubbing and 2 sore arms later, I said, you know what, it is time to call my man in. So I called him into the room for some assistance. I think all in all, we did about 4 or 5 passes over the headboard, and I feel like it actually got pretty clean. I'll make sure to pop on the screen what type of solution we use. So I had to take it old school and clean these mirrored nightstands with some good old newspaper. How many of you clean your mirrored furniture with newspaper or with paper towels? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. So as I was saying earlier, one of the reasons why the room is so messy is because we don't have adequate storage. And if you look over here next to my baby's crib, I can't even use the rocking chair because it's the storage closet basically for all of our winter boots. So I think the next video is probably going to be a small space, organize and declutter. So I made a mistake and I cleaned the nightstand and then cleaned the lamps. So I had to wipe the nightstand off, and I said, okay, I realized my mistake. So when I go to my side of the room, I will go from top to bottom. And wouldn't you know it, I started the same way. I cleaned the dresser, I cleaned my Alexa, and then I went in for the lamps. I don't know why I did it backwards, but hey, at least I got it done. So right here, you'll see me taking my Sandy wipes. I just like to make sure I clean all of our remotes and other high-touch surface areas to make sure everything is as clean as possible. And for everyone that's new to my channel, hello, I want to stop and introduce myself. My name is Cicely, and I am a disabled mother of 2 boys. I was born with Sickle Cell Anemia. So I decided to start making content that will focus on lifestyle, home decor, parenting, and sometimes we may even do some vlogging. So if you want to follow our journey and see how we do things, we would love to have you. Go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. So I know this video was supposed to be me cleaning the messiest parts of my home, but as you can see, it is crazy how much paperwork, documents, nail polish, just all types of stuff that I had hidden up under my vanity. I just didn't have anywhere for it to go, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out of the packaging like I do with my food and try to box things up and see if we can just get this area pulled together. So I'm taking my Sandy wipes and wiping down all of the nail polish bottles, because with gel nail polish, the bottles can get really sticky. So I just took everything out of the packages. I wiped everything down. As I was getting ready to bag everything up and separate it by baggies, I had a genius idea. I was like, why not do how the nail salons do and take a drop of polish and put it on a little postcard so that I could keep track of all of the colors and not have to ramble through the bag. So here in a second, you'll see that I decided to go ahead and use that form of organization. I had previously kept all of my designs inside of this old baby can, but I decided since I have a new bag, why not go ahead and have everything in this makeup bag. And here I'm just showing you some of my favorite little nail decals. I got all of these off of Amazon. Oh my God, I just love those cute little pieces of fruit. Those stickers will be awesome to use in the upcoming summer months. So if you guys are enjoying this type of content, go ahead and leave me a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments, what do you think the next video should be for Sunday? I love hearing from you guys and I look forward to implementing your suggestions. So let me know what you think. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, I would love for you to consider sticking around and subscribing, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. We post videos on our channel here weekly on Sundays and sometimes an extra one in the middle of the week. So come on, stop by and join the fam. Okay y'all, it's quiz time. Who can tell me what cartoon that show was from? It's from back in the day.
Just right what I needed. Take me there. We can drive away. Oh yeah.
So right here, I'm just taking my OxyClean to pre-treat some of the stains. This blanket came from Messiest, and so it was rather expensive, so I don't want to mess it up. If anybody has any ideas for getting stains out of a blanket, please let me know down in the comment section. So I went ahead and took my sheets to the laundromat because those big blankets can't be put in your everyday washer. They have to go to the wash house.
Gentle breeze, the night's got a fever, to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away?
I decided it was time to go ahead and take down the curtains and throw them in the wash. I am going to be recording a new fall bedroom decorate with me, where you'll see the velvet curtains I end up replacing these with. So be sure to be on the lookout for that video coming up next.
Through the night, sing along to the midnight rain.
Okay, so I finally made it back to this side of the room. Over here in the corner, I'm just folding up my winter clothes. Sad to say, but about 6 or 7 months ago, I packed away all of my winter clothes in space bags, but they just never made it outside of my room. So I'm glad that, again, this video was chosen so I could finally get this corner of my room cleaned out. It's amazing how much stuff can just pile up and you don't even realize.
Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes.
I feel like no matter how much you clean, you can never hide these ugly cords. If anybody has any suggestions for me being able to hide my extension cords, I would love for you to leave it down in the comment section below.
But I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard.
So I am removing all of my purses and planners and just any trash that was back here that didn't need to be here. And I figured I'd make it easier on myself by removing my Mac. I can't believe I actually had this much old mail just piling up, taking up space. So I'm glad to be able to get it out of the way. The final reveal like amazed myself. I'm just so proud to be able to get this stuff taken care of.
Forget all your sorrows, let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss you.
So right here, I'm just using a washcloth, some hot water, and Dawn to scrub my son's crib. It's not even 3 weeks old, but as you can see, it already has food stains. So I just wanted to get it nice and clean for my baby. And I'm taking, again, some of the Sandy wipes to wipe down the rails and wipe down his actual mattress. Just like I'm putting fresh sheets on my bed, I had to put some on my baby's bed.
Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near, whenever you're near.
Alright guys, so I'm done with my throw pillows and I'm spraying my Lysol, so that means it's reveal time. I just want to thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel and showing me some love. If you are new here, welcome. And if you've been rocking with me, thank you so much again. I would love to have you subscribe if you like the content that you see. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I'll see you guys in the next one. Be blessed.
I get so lonely, so stay by my side. Come on close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. Side, wanna be by your side. Just for a while, stay by my side. You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of